Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing the Ouidad Curl Quencher line. I actually have a giveaway coming with all of these products plus tons more, so make sure to check the description box down below on how to enter. So for this line I have the Curl Quencher Moisturizing Shampoo. I have the Curl Quencher Moisturizing Conditioner. I'm also going to be trying the Moisture Lock Leave-In Conditioner. I have the Curl Quencher Moisturizing Styling Gel and the Curl Quencher Hydrafusion Intense Curl Cream. So before starting this video, I did wash with the shampoo and the conditioner. And in this video, I'm going to kind of rate the products so you guys have a better idea of how I feel about the consistency, the smell, and the overall outcome of my wash and go. To rate the shampoo and conditioner, they were both super moisturizing. I absolutely loved this combination of the shampoo and conditioner, and the smell was amazing. So I'm gonna rate a 10 out of 10 for the scent, 10 out of 10 for the moisture and the slip, and a 10 out of 10 for the overall results of my hair. So let's begin the video and start using the rest of the line. I'm going to be starting out with the Moisture Lock Leave-In Conditioner. So I'm just going to apply a little bit into my hands and rake it throughout my hair. Next in the line, I'm going to be trying the Curl Quencher Hydrafusion Intense Curl Cream. So I've never used any of these products before by Ouidad, but I do use the Diva Curl Super Cream. So I'm going to kind of compare this one to the Super Cream because I absolutely love the Super Cream. The only thing with this line is I believe it is not curly girl friendly, so I think they do have some sort of silicones in them. So if you love silicones, this line might be really good for you. If you don't, I would just recommend using a clarifier or like the Diva Curl Build Up Buster, which is what I use. First impressions of this curl cream, it is a little bit thinner than the Super Cream and it does glide a little better. So even though this is a little bit thinner, I feel like it does have even more slip than the Super Cream. Alright, so now that I have the curl cream distributed, I'm going to be trying the Curl Quencher Moisturizing Styling Gel. So this gel is very thin and has more of a watery consistency. I do like how it applies throughout the hair. Alright guys, so now that everything is applied, I'm going to go diffuse because it is super cold in here, and then I'll be back to give you my ratings on the rest of the products and show you guys how my wash and go turned out. Alright guys, so these are the results from the Ouidad Curl Quencher line. So I'm going to go through the last three products that I used for my wash and go and kind of give you guys a rating so you know a little bit better about how I liked the smell and the results. So first I'm going to start out with the Moisture Lock Leave-In Conditioner. So this leave-in was really super moisturizing. I loved the consistency. So for the consistency and the slip, I'm going to give this one a 10. The scent is completely different. It does kind of have, I don't know, I think it kind of has like more of like an old lady scent. So this scent for me, I'm going to rate an 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. It's still a really nice scent. It's pretty floral, but for me, I just would prefer the scent of like the shampoo and conditioners. As for overall results of this leave-in conditioner, especially with all these products, I'm definitely going to give it a 10 out of 10. I overall really enjoyed this leave-in. So next up, I'm going to be talking about the Curl Quencher Hydrafusion Intense Curl Cream. This one was really nice. I loved the consistency. It was a little thinner than the Diva Curl Super Cream, but it had really great slip. So for moisture and slip, I'm going to give this one a 10 out of 10. The scent of the curl cream was also a little bit different than some of the other products in this line, but it has a very youthful scent and it's very light and feminine. So for the scent, I'm also going to give it a 10 out of 10. And for the overall results of my hair, I had a great wash and go with these products, so I'm also going to give this one a 10 out of 10 as well. Last but not least, I'm going to be talking about the Curl Quencher Moisturizing Styling Gel. This was a very runny and thin consistency, which is different than a lot of the gels that I have. So for consistency and slip, I'm definitely going to give this one a 10 out of 10. For the scent, I'm also going to give it a 10 out of 10. Very feminine and light and just a really pleasant scent. As for overall results, there was no cast with this gel. Very lightweight, but also gave me a lot of hold and definition. So with that being said, I'm going to rate out overall results as a 10 out of 10. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I kind of wanted to keep it short and sweet so we could just get down to the products and how they worked, and I felt like rating them was just the best way that I could really tell you guys how I felt about each individual product in this line. Don't forget to check the description box for the Ouidad giveaway details. I'm giving away 15 Ouidad products ranging everywhere from deep conditioners, shampoos, conditioners, styling products, serums, basically everything you guys need in your whole hair care line. So if you guys want to check out that giveaway, make sure to look in the description box below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.